cuffing stuff. Man, have we got a good one? I've talked to friends in barbecue and they've said, oh no, this has been done, overdone. Don't do it, it's a waste of time. It wasn't a waste of time at all. This is good stuff. Today, we're gonna do a crack burger. Now, it's been all over YouTube, it's been all over Facebook, it's been all over all social media. And we held off for a long time. And finally I said, all right, we're gonna try it. So, without further ado, here it is, the crack burger. So, hang tight. Well, let's start by throwing a little bacon on here. This is supposed to be thick cut bacon, but it's not all that thick. And I just cranked this up, so right now I've got the Blackstone on high. All right, so let's get this bacon going and we're off. Okay, well, these are done enough for me. Let's dump them in a paper towel here. Oh yeah, those are sure enough done. All right, we're gonna put them on a paper towel, spread some of this bacon grease out. Now while I've got good bacon grease, these are brioche buns. We're gonna put them down, put a little toast on them. Get those off. All right, let's move over and mix up the meat. All right, I've got 2 pounds of 80/20 in here. On that, I'm gonna put about 2 tablespoons of, this is Uncle Steve's cow powder, cow shake. To that, I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons. This is ranch dressing. Yeah, that's supposed to be the secret. There's 1, 2, 3. All right, there's 3. I'm gonna put about 2 heaping tablespoons of panko breadcrumbs. I'm gonna put 3 tablespoons of sour cream. I'm gonna put about a cup of cheese in here. That's normally what you see everybody put, and I'm pretty much sticking to the recipe. That's probably a cup. It's about half that package. All right, have I got everything in here? I've got everything in but my bacon, and I want to mix this up good. So let me get it mixed up and we'll start making the patties. All right, again, you see I've got the hamburger press. I'm going to take and put a piece down. Now, I'm going to make, these ought to be about 1/4 pound patties. That's going to be close. Alright, look at that. And we're just going to keep moving along, making these patties just like this. Now, from what I've seen, the people that have been making these, they turn out a little loose, and they pack them loose because they say they don't want to pack too tight. Well, I'm using the burger press because I don't want it to fall apart when I cook it. And it makes such a pretty patty when you do this. That's 3. That's about half of it. I figured it'd make about 6. And here we are. Nothing to it. You put it in this press and off you go. And the last one may be a little shy. Let me see. Yeah, he's going to be a little bit small. That's all right. Do the best you can do. All right. And there we go. There's our hamburgers pressed in. And it's time we're going to put them on the Blackstone. Okay. Well, here we go. Let's put these on. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a piece of 1. All right, let's get them cooked. All right, let's see how we're doing. Oh yes, good sear. That's what I want. Right there. Just like that. Oh yeah. Let's add some good old American cheese to the top of this. And I'm going to turn this down a little bit. All right. It looks like we're about to get our cheese down. There we we go. It's about time to take these off. Okay, well, let's put these together. All right, I'm gonna start with the bottom. All right, this is Chick-fil-A sauce. How about that? I don't think anybody ever thought of Chick-fil-A sauce, but that's pretty close. In some cases, even better than what I've seen used. There we go. There's the bottom. I'm gonna put a little on the top. On the top. Now, I want a little bit of onion on mine. You don't have to do onion. You make it your own. And then I'm gonna take bacon, a couple of pieces of bacon, and I'm gonna put on the top. Bacon, and bacon, and more bacon. All right, now, there we go. How's that? Well, love that bacon. Nothing left to do but try this boy. All right, this is what all the fuss has been about. This is the crack burger. Yeah, I'm trying it, so here we go. Oh my goodness. Unreal. Yep. That cow shake is in there. The ranch seasoning is in there. I can taste the bacon, cheese. It's all in there. And then the Chick-fil-A sauce, top it off. I'm sorry, folks. Eating the onion. What to tell you. I see what the fuss is about. Hey, look, thanks for sticking around, hanging with me while we tried this. I appreciate it. If you haven't already, how about hit the circle on this side, subscribe, boop, give me a like. Hey, I'll have another video for you right over here on this side, just for you. None of this is going to cost you a dime. Hey, until next time, hang tight and be good to one another. Hang tight.